So one of our New Year's resolutions is to adopt the KonMari way, which is all about keeping things that spark joy. And there is a particular KonMari method to the way you're supposed to fold the clothes.
So who's KonMari?
KonMari is this Japanese lady who's revolutionized organization, just purging your life of things that don't spark joy, basically. So the way she does it in 3 folds, and a particular item, once folded correctly, is supposed to stand on its own, which is what we're trying to do here. So this one's another one. So she actually doesn't cover linen like towels and stuff, so I'm doing this so that it fits. The width actually fits nicely within our cupboards, and then I've changed the way I've folded our tea towels, which is probably going to appear in the thumbnail when I upload this. So basically this is what suits me, but it suits, you can do whatever suits your cupboard size.
How does this help?
Because she reckons that you're supposed to fold, and she leaves it a little bit short of the end. She reckons you're supposed to fold things vertically, not horizontally, not vertically. And then you can take a video once I show you how we put it in the cupboard. You're supposed to fold and pile this way.